Hello everybody, Kevin Getterman, Scantech Graphics. We are on site of our latest mural project at Jerwicks Law Group downtown. We have Gary Brown with us, who did the mural design, and Scantech Graphics, we did the print and installation. I also want to take time to thank Elise Cooper at Innovative Commercial Environments for bringing us in on this project, which turned out to be a whole lot of fun. And we're lucky enough to have Ross, the owner of Jerwicks Law Group, with us this morning.
So, as you know, we are a San Diego-based personal injury law firm. We have offices in San Diego as well as Carlsbad. We've got approximately 30 employees here. Our thought here for the space was we want some place that is both inspiring to our clients and to our team. Anybody who's ever met me knows that I hate a boring office space. So I want something where you come in and you're just taken away, your breath's taken away by it. So we didn't really know what we wanted, but one of the suggestions we had from Elise Cooper was to do a mural that started the entire back row into our conference room. It would be something huge, a big statement piece. Didn't know what that was going to be, didn't know what that was going to look like, but she recommended you guys at Scantech, and you brought Gary in, and working with Gary has been tremendous. We have a mural behind us now that says who we are. We are San Diego. So to have that statement piece here in our downtown office, just the impression it's made has been phenomenal. I can tell you it's such a powerful piece.
We started with a blank canvas pretty much. We wanted to focus on downtown. Ross had seen some of my previous artwork and was really inspired by the abstract nature, my skill to take in very large walls and cover them. For this one, I did a downtown scene. There's multiple layers of downtown. The more you look at it, you could bring in and see other aspects of San Diego, noticeable icons, things that people would recognize. The color came from all the office furniture. That was really the only thing we had to start with. Was we got a pamphlet with the colors, the chairs, the carpet. We have the concrete, gray ceilings, so we went for an industrial look and brought in the color of all the office furniture. This file ended up being about 6-7 gigs flattened. Working on a file this size requires some time and patience. Talking with Ross, and after looking at my portfolio, he felt I was holding back.